Ang i-giveaway ko is load. Magpa-load ako guys sa inyo.
That's a rash.
It's not a rush. That's connecting to my whole thing.
Yeah, but it's bumpy all over.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! So, blurry tayo. Good morning, everything! I know, nahihilo kayo sa everything. But anyway, good morning sa inyo lahat. Nag-harvest tayo early in the morning. So, ito yung... Oh, my baby, tapos nang naligo. Harvest tayo, bagong harvest. And yun, I think, hindi ko alam kung ibigay ko pa to sa kapitbahay or something. Yun, I think, bigyan natin sila. Yung cucumber is, itong cucumber na ito is baby siya, guys. Hindi siya yung cucumber na, ano, yung malaki. Ito talaga siya pang pickle na cucumber. Yun yung gusto ko kasi sobrang crunchy niya. Aalis si Tami, as usual, every morning until tomorrow morning. Kasi yung pusa, so yun. And kumain kami, guys. Nagluto, di ba, ang kinain ko breakfast is ano lang, yung rice at saka yung sabaw na bulanglang or lauoy sa amin. Yun siya, yun yung kinain ko. And guys, meron akong bite dito sa paa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pumapaak sa akin. At saka, hindi, I think hindi siya poison ivy, pero nilagyan ko pa rin siya ng Techno ito, this morning, kasi yung buong leg ko, 3 days na po ito, guys, naramdaman ko. Yung buong left leg ko is numb. At saka may tingling siya. At saka yung ano ko po, pumunta sa puwit, pumunta sa talagang pinakapaa. I farted when I coughed. That's really dangerous. That's dangerous.
Is everybody around you?
Huh?
Is everybody around you?
No, right now.
I said, is it dangerous to everybody around you?
Yeah. Not for me. This is hard. This is hard. I can't see myself.
Stop with the camera.
Hi guys, umalis na si Tami, guys. Andin ako naman, sobrang sleepy ko. Hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos kagabi dahil sa paa ko nga, diba? Nagnanam at saka nagtingling yung paa ko hanggang ngayon. Every time na katulad nito, ito, something. So, mahiga lang ako, guys. Nafe-feel ko siya. And then yun. Matulog lang ako, guys. Kasi, no, nag-edit ako ng isang video, nakapag-edit na ako. And yun, tulog. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakakagat sa akin. Hindi ko talaga alam kung poisonous ba. Pero, niresearch ko naman, guys. Yung the other day, yung numbness at saka yung tingling sensation sa buong leg ko umabot sa butt cheeks. So, yung that's what the other day, not yesterday. And then yesterday, nawala, pagbangon ko, nawala yung sa puwit ko. Yung sa leg, patungo sa puwit. Hindi ko siya napifeel. Napifeel ko na lang is yung sensation, tingling sensation in the back of my knee because doon yung kagat. Kapag hawakan mo siya, is parang, yung skin part is tingling. Like, it hurt. It's like, it's weird feeling. At saka, the funny thing is, ngayon, kapag naglakad ako, yung foot ko is, napifeel ko yung tingling sensation na numbness. Sabi pa ni Tami, dalhin daw ako sa emergency. Sabi ko, emergency ka. Hindi ito makamatay. Pero, weird feeling lang talaga. Para yung mga nerve ko is nag-collapse. Well, actually, 4 days ko na to. 3 days, 4 days. Pinabayaan ko lang kasi nangyari ito after nagdilig ako sa cucumber, yung pinakalas ng part ng garden ko. Hi guys, nagising ako, guys, 12 something na. Tumawag kasi si Tami. Nakatulog talaga ako. 12 something na, 12 to 12:30 na ngayon. And ngayon, sabi pa niya gusto niya ng tuna salad. Siya nagagawa sa tuna. Siya na yung mag-open sa tuna. Mag-cut sana ako ng grass, kaso Yun nga, naramdaman ko as in hindi ko na nagets itong katawan ko. And anyway guys, update sa pusa guys, kahapon 'di ba? Kahapon hindi siya kumain. Hindi ko na end yung vlog kahapon ng maayos kasi wala ako sa mood talaga. As in wala sa mood yung paa ko, masakit. So hindi ko na end, pasensya na talaga yung vlog kahapon. And so update ko, hindi ko man kayo na update kung anong nangyari. Umuwi kami dito. Kung anong nangyari sa pusa. Yung pusa, pagdating naman doon, pinakain ni Tami ng husto, mga pagkain, gano'n. And ngayon, hindi din kumain. So, hindi, sabi pa ni Tami, it's not a good sign. Kawawa naman yung pusa, diba? Mamaya, babalik kami doon. Sasama ako every afternoon. Ano siya? Yung leftover namin kahapon na sabi pa ni Rudy kahapon, masarap daw yung ito, bangos, na hindi tostado. Yung brown, yung tinutosta. Masarap daw, sabi niya. Masarap talaga. Hindi tostado. Nalalasahan mo lahat. Yung lasa na. Itong langaw ba? Ay naku, ang samok-samok talaga ninyo ba? Samok. Andito naman si Tami. Kumakain na siya ng ano niya. Ng tuna. So, meron pala akong sasabihin. It's been a long time na hindi ako magpa-giveaway. Ang i-giveaway ko is load. Magpa-load ako guys sa inyo. 2 tao. Nasa mga, ilagay ko dito kung ano, smart, globe. Kung smart yung napili, ito yon. Kapag globe yung napili, ito yon. Ilagay ko na lang yun dito yung load sa mga kung anong network kayo. Pero 2 lang yung pipiliin ko guys. Matagal na kasi ako hindi nakapagbigay ng load. The last time na nagbigay ako is, that was 2000. Last year, January. Last year, January, nagbigay ako ng $100. So ngayon, at saka load, mga load. Ang ngayon, ang gagawin ko is load. So, 1 week, after, pipili ako dito guys. Itong video na to dito kayo mag-comment. Dapat subscriber. Yan. Subscriber kayo. So, yun lang yung ano ko. Comment kayo. Kasi pipiliin ko sa comment. Doon ako pipili. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung sino yung napili ko. Or a few days later. Okay? Sino yung napili ko? Mag-message lang kayo sa Facebook. Sa Facebook page ha. Hindi sa Facebook profile page po natin. Doon ako titingin ng mga comment. Pero dapat kayo subscribers kayo ha. Kasi i-check ko yun. Yun lang yun. Load. Giveaway. Ang sarap ng ano ko meron po. Ang rice, konti na lang. Ang bilis ko talagang kumain ng rice kapag ito yung ano. Ulam. Yun lang yun siya guys. Hintayin na lang siya sa mga susunod na video. Kung siya yung nanalo. Yan.
To me, it's not perfect. We're even close.
He's here. Hey guys, lumabas lang ako kanina, not long time ago, para anuhin ko yung mga eggplant, di ba? Yung in-sprayhan ko siya kasi kinakain na naman yung mga dahon, nasisira, hindi masaya yung ano, dahil kinakain ng mga beetles. Oh, this is what you buy, Han? This digital coins?
Yeah.
Bumili si Tami nito guys kasi ang daming coins sa buong mundo. Kami na yung pinakamaraming coins. Kasi ang dami pang coins na hindi tinago ni Tami. Meron tayong corn dyan. Daming corn, di ba? 2 na. Wala pa dito isa. Yan. Marami na tayong lemongrass. Ang dami pang raspberry, oh. Is that how you do it? You put the coins over there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so good with kamang-kamang, Han.
Pick up some of the ones that fell with the knife.
You do it. You do it. Look. Allah. Is that how it is?
Yeah.
And how much each?
Yeah.
No, this is a fucking old one. There is something in there. Yung buong legs ko, guys, dito, guys, oh, nagnam, guys. Sabi pa ni Tami, may venom something. Baka yung kumagat sa akin, spider, or yung yellow na bee. Oh my God, na-feel ko yung buong pa ako. And kanina pa to, guys, and then, parang ini-ignore ko lang kasi hindi naman yan darating sa puso natin o sa utak. We will be right back, Rox. She's already sad. Hurry up, hon. It's even something already. Seriously.
Oh yeah, key.
Oh my God. The key. Sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Hindi kami makapasok doon. Itong tatami, no? We've been looking for this for hours. Looking for this. They're like crazy. How many hours? And then plus he's going to stop to the store to be there for hours. Coin machine.
No, that.
Well,
I brought the coin machine in as soon as I got home and put it on the counter in the kitchen. And then I made tuna fish and I sat down. Then I went outside to work on the refrigerator.
You're losing your marble.
What? Seriously? And who folded up the bag and put it in the other bag?
What?
What?
You know what?
In the kitchen. You didn't take that little flowery hot cold bag and put it in the other bag, the other shower bag?
I put it there.
You did.
I put it on top inside the other bag. And that's all I did.
Didn't have it. I told you I didn't have it.
Someone flying over here with me. A cheese and a thing.
These are the things. The thing and the other thing. I don't have it, huh? You got it.
No, finish it. Finish. Finish.
What? You don't want any more? Really?
It's good, done. Turkey and cheese. Anyway guys, hello. I don't know if you can see me. Hindi natin alam kung makikita nyo ako. So, andito ako sa sasakyan. Ay, si Freddy hindi talaga kumain. Binalik ko lang itong binili ni Tami na cheese at saka turkey and cheese from Hannaford kasi he got it for Freddy if Freddy will eat the turkey, pero no, he doesn't eat it. Kahit yung ibang binigay na pagkain hindi talaga niya kinain. So I don't know what to do. It's sad because now he's losing a lot of weight, and then now he doesn't want to eat and stuff like that. So it's not good. Kita na. Ito siya. Pagkagit sa baby ni mama, tayo ginoo ko. Hi, Mitty. Come. Mitty. We're gonna eat din. What time is it? What time? It's almost 10 o'clock. We don't eat din. Ito daw yung ano guys, para sa ano, meat in the ricer, unseasoned. And then, gagawa si Tami ng parang paste ba? So, nag-boil.
Then we throw her in the oven.
And throw my legs in the oven. Yeah. So, nag-boil siya ng tubig. So, mainit dapat. And then, ilagay sa paa ko. Han, don't call me stupid.
Okay. Where is this? Oh, look at it. Yeah, that's a rash. I don't know what the hell that is. That's a rash. Maybe
It's not a rush. That's connecting to my whole thing.
Yeah, but it's bumpy all over the place.
Oh, okay.
This don't work. You might want to try some of that poison oak stuff.
Huh?
If this don't work, you might want to try some of that poison ivy crap.
That's not poison ivy, Han.
Well, it's a million little bumps. This is not from a bite. I thought this was from a bite. That's what you're describing.
Hala, it's dripping. I can feel it.
Fine. Like toast.
Huh?
Does it stay like that?
Han, come to bring paper towel, please. Ah. It's all in bed now.
What?
Because it's dripping all over in bed.
It doesn't seem very hot for boiling water.
It's not hot.
It's supposed to be like as hot as you
Look,
think.
it's in the thing now. Put it in there, leave it there.
Considering that water was supposed to be boiling, you said it was boiling. That's why you shut it.
So what is it looks like?
It's like a rash, like some poison ivy or something.
Can you kill my camera?
Yeah, while you're lying there, instead of watching YouTube, why don't you look up brown recluse spider bite and see what it looks like? Maybe it put you 100 times, who the hell knows?
Hi guys! So, good night na guys. I-in ko na to ditong vlog. Kasi maano tayo sa legs. Hala! Pahiga na ako guys kasi yung balik ako nahiga kasi naging powder na pala ito. Kailangan ko ng mahiga. Anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night guys. Bye. Good night. Nag-powder siya. Anyway, bye-bye.